Hello, good morning. Good morning, friends. As promised yesterday, I'm going to show you how we arranged ISIS works for school year 2019-2020, and we were able to make 4 volumes of his portfolio. And first and foremost, I would like to tell you how we arranged ISIS works. First, we collated all his works chronologically from the first quarter to the fourth quarter. We arranged it like this. Ayan. First, we placed a cover and we indicated that we were able to make 4 volumes. We placed ISIS full name and his LRN number. Then we made a narrative report of all his activities or the highlights of his homeschooling for this school year. We discussed the contents or the features of the portfolio, how was our homeschooling this school year, and also we indicated the things that he did to retain important concepts in his memory, like the incorporation of all subjects in some activities like cooking and baking. We also showed his art time, enrichment activities, his physical activities like swimming, playing, and exploring the outside world, because we believe that the world is the entire classroom of the kid. And Ice also was able to do a lot of reading and activities of daily living this year, because he's a type of a boy who likes to do hands-on activities. And also we incorporated his learning or his subjects through occupational therapy. And we also placed here the things that we realized. We somehow had our own reflection, and since we couldn't place all his book activities here on his portfolio because it's too many, I just placed a picture of the books that he used. And then of course, in Pinyel, it is required that we submit his printed grades and a sample card. And in order for us to, for the teachers not to get confused, we placed tabs per subject. And per subject, the worksheets are arranged like this kasi closed kasi ang bookbinding shops due to the ECQ. So, per filler, we placed his works per quarter. Yan. So, per pouch or per filler, there are so many worksheets. So we arrange it by date or chronologically. This is how we did it. This was how we did it. Yan. There, worksheets, PTs, and his exams. Yan. And ayan, volume 2 of 4, volume 3 of 4, and volume 4 of 4. I'm going to show you some of Ice's artworks. We also did a lot of cutting and pre-writing activities to enhance his fine motor skills. And this is an example of how we did incorporation of subjects. We did a lot of PTs and artworks and also activities of daily living. As much as possible, we made sure that Ice would learn through hands-on activities because that was how he learned best. Ayan. The MAPE examination is also included in the latter part.